media. Yes, man.
Shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Phillips from Augustown. Shout out to Georgia, straight out of Mandeville. Thank you for the support, and I mean big up on yourself. Before we begin, on the tear up the like button, just mash it up down there. Tear it all the way up. Let's go, let's go. To the video we go. Leave it up to Jamaicans. We take a 8-foot long crocodile parading through the streets of their community. The people them have the crocodile for a rope, like a goat and cow. Who never see this yet? Now what a thought if that the rope they go pop. Then and there would we discover bolts replacement. But seriously though, later on you know what go on. Yeah, me a man over here, sir, over here, sir. 5 bills a quarter pound for your crocodile, you know. I chicken meat, I see this, you know. 2 grand for a pound. Jerky me can taste and buy. Taste and buy what? Look like I get me myself. And speaking on pounds, right? Here is a question. Oh, you left the answer? Alright, let us continue. Alright. But when I sit down in that comment section, all of the people will comment, cement, you are absolutely life rough. And speaking of rough, in this video we have a puppy eating some rice and a goat that wants some of the rice. But the puppy and the goat is not appreciative of the puppy's lack of sharing ability.
Give me some of the rice, man.
No, you're too grave.
Just 2 grain.
When you eat your grass, me bother you. No, you're deaf. Chummer.
I said give me some of the rice. You go freaking mean.
It is amazing what one buck can do. Turns a puppy into a pussy. Cat. Pussycat. You know what I'm showing how we turn the puppy into a little pussycat? Look at all this space right here where the puppy can use for escape. But the poor thing find the hardest way, which is up the step for escape. You know I have nothing to do with that goat there. Poor little puppy. But I say nothing. That goat is going to get more rice than it could ever ask for. And guess who are going to end up eat the bones? That people is the circle of life. And we move on from the circle of life and we are jumping off of the diving table of death. Hey, when you can't afford a diving board, this year just use the dining tables from off of the porch. Just make sure so you check if it dry run. Cause you know the sun and rain come beat them out there. So you check if it dry run first too. I'm guessing in church, Pastor announced that somebody was going to get their breakthrough this week. But he failed to specify what kind of breakthrough.
Sanka, you dead?
Summer is upon us and the tides of idleness it arise. We will be seeing a lot of hot girls. We'll be seeing a lot of hot wheels. We will be seeing a lot of hot girls on hot wheels. Can we just take a minute to appreciate all of the barefootedness that is going on right here, so? I'm seeing a lot of plants in this video, but my favorite is the face plant. Let this be a life lesson. The only way to really see the road ahead is to get an up-close and personal private viewing. Wheelies are really not for her. Now we all love the beaches. For some of us it brings out the tan in our skin. For some of us it brings us to a place of relaxation. And for others,
Eu também já vi 2 mal-assombras.
it brings out the beach in us. Nossa, I fool for uncle this year. I always see people get scared and fly off like this in a cartoons. When you are scared, it's fight or flight. The man go full airplane mode.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are currently cruising at an altitude of me frighten ass.
You better go check Amazon or eBay and order one big old dirty box of masculinity. Now, there's nothing wrong with being scared, you know. It is okay to be scared. But you see when you reach them levels, yeah? Testosterone run low. Yeah, man. You need an immediate top up. Express shipping on the box of testosterone. They do. Next day delivery. Quick and fast. And now it's time to read the little story. Me not forget, man. The thing me did forget. Me not forget. Me did start it up. One time my mother sent me to shop. And me take the money and start sing a tune. And me use the money buy sweetie and never remember what to buy. And me start ball and so me use the money and buy 2 Rizzler and then me remember me have a famous cow thief and the shop it owe me. So me bring up with last deal and you know you are trying to say right this up. Anyways, me use my money to buy a spliff and a beer with smoker there so. When me reach at the shop, start a check for the money and but me never have the money already. So me a check for I think we gone mad you know. As me reach the gate, me have to turn back. Mommy where you say me go buy again and me go back a yard and get some raw slick. And end up at the runway. And then mommy asked me where the money there. Me tell her I said me use it go club. And then me end up at one game shop. And me meet one of my friend them. And on the way me see one of my friend. And me sing let those monkeys out. All of the gal them with them face bleach out. And one brown cow with white face run me down. And me never make it too far because me don't know where to run go. And say buy a pack of condom for me please. Me reach a pass and cause me did take wash out, running belly take me. So me did have to shit a bush. And true me never have no toilet paper, me use the $50 and she give me a piece of ass. And then after that me go down the road, go link past a seabird to some holy water. And I buck me 2 years pan the shopkeeper daughter. And I buy salt instead of hearts. Last the money pan the way. Me use the money buy sweetie. Last the money. Okay, god damn it. I could just stop right there so. God, that story I've gone up a be a madness. Anyways, big up on yourself, big up all that people that will comment. If you want to read the rest of the story, go on the last video, check it out. If you watch a video right now, that means I also just drop a second reaction video. On the second K2K channel. Link in the description. If you're not subscribed over there, please go subscribe over there also. That's where I'm going to be putting like, you know, other types of comedy. So, link in the description for the second comedy channel. Subscribe, check out the new videos when we drop over there. Alright? Thank you. Remember to hit the like button, right? Good? Alright. Thank you for your videos. Thank you for your video suggestions. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it. And you whole of it, I'm going to dedicate yourself towards achieving it. Let's watch it!